Hello student, today we have to discuss the topic 12th Mathematics first new syllabus 2020-2021 fourth lesson pair of straight line. In this chapter we have to take some standard result. We know that combined equation and joint equation, two lines, their combined and their joint equation and their separate equation. Again, we know that if u equal to 0 and v equal to 0, then the product of u into v equal to 0 is called a joint equation of these two lines or separate equation of these two lines, that is u into v 0. On the way we can say that opposite, if u into v equal to 0, then u equal to 0 and v equal to 0 are the separate equation. So for exam point of view, there are 2 marks question. We have to see that find combined equation of the line, these two lines. We have to solve any one question. Second question you have to solve homework. So these two lines is minus x minus 2 0 and y plus 2 0, and second question is this. Then second alternate question, we have to give the line and we have to find the separate equation. So we have to solve this question to combine equation of these two lines. Solution of first. We know that u0 v0, then combine equation u into v0. So our line is this first, this second. Combined equation means product of these two lines. So therefore x minus 2 into that second line y plus 2 equal to 0. So solve these two lines. X into y, xy, x into plus 2 plus 2x plus minus 2 into y minus 2y, and this minus 4 equal to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, all the terms are completely different, so we cannot add this term. So this is the final equation, final answer. Is joint equation or combined equation? Combined equation or is it joint equation? Similarly, the second question is that, what is the second question? This is equal to 0 and this equal to 0. So our question is there. So I cannot write repeatedly the question. So direct answer. So product of these two lines equal to 0. So the answer is first line into second line is equal to, what is the first line? X minus 2y. What is the second line? X plus y equal to 0. So you have to solve this question. Product. So x into x, x square, x into y plus xy minus 2 into y into x minus 2xy minus 2 into y, 2y into y minus 2y square is equal to 0. Here all 4 terms are here. Here are the 4 terms, but these 2 terms are coefficient same, xy, xy. So we have to add this coefficient. So x square as it is plus xy minus 2xy means minus x into y minus 2y square equal to 0 is the joint equation. I read this. You can also write this. Okay, this is the simple one for 2 marks. Now the reverse question. These are separate equation, then combined equation is this. These are separate equation, then combined equation is this. Now next question, find the separate equation. Separate equation of line xy minus 2x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, question is this, answer is again this. So we have to solve this solution. So question is that xy minus 2x minus 2y, xy minus 2x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Okay. So in these two terms there is x is common, here is 2 is the common, minus 2. So we can take x and x inside the bracket. X, what is the remaining? Y minus 2. Here is minus 2y minus 4. We can take minus 2 sign bar. So these minus 2 come inside the bracket. So it is y and this minus and bar into bracket. This is y plus 2 is equal to 0. Y x minus 2. I think here is a plus 2x. So here is plus sign y plus 2. So this y plus 2, this y plus 2 inside the bracket, y plus 2, the remaining x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the separate equation. We have to find separate equation. So separate equation, this into this equal to 0, u into v0, then u equal to 0 and v equal to 0 is the separate equation. So we can say that is y plus 2 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 equal to 0. We can highlight this answer and is separate equation. Understand? Okay. So this is important for exam point of view. Now there is another one theorem which is very simple and important for exam point of view. So we have to take next theorem for 4 marks. Question is that prove that every homogeneous equation ax square 2xxy plus by square equal to 0 always represents a pair of lines passing through origin. If x square minus a into b equal to 0. Proof of this theorem. Every homogeneous means sum of indices of all variable x and y are equal. So here is the degree x square degree 2, x and y is the degree 1 plus 1 2, y square is y square, this is degree 2. So all the variables have degree 2. So it is a homogeneous equation of degree 2. So theorem is that this equation represents always a pair of line passing through origin. Passing through origin means the line in this way, this is the x-axis, this is y-axis, this is the line, this is the line. Any line passing through origin, this is the origin, O, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. How to select the line passes through origin? If the line does not constant term, that is x plus y is equal to 0, yeah, 2x plus y equal to 0. If there is the constant term, suppose in place of 0, 2, then the line does not passes through origin. So separate constant term 0, then the line passes through origin, means x variable plus or minus y variable. So here is that ax square 2xxy plus by square equal to 0. Means we have to select that the constant term 0, something x plus something y 0, then the line always passing through origin. Okay. So consider this equation, given equation. x square 2xxy plus by square equal to 0. Use the equation 1. We have to consider two cases. Case first, if b equal to 0. Put in 1. The value of b equal to 0. If put the value of b equal to 0, so here is variable not b, here is not b, here is b. So value of this variable 0 means we have to get only this ax square plus 2hxy. So we get therefore ax square plus 2hxy plus this is equal to 0 because the value of b equal to 0. Now in this case only two variables x here is x, we can take x common. So x into remaining here is a into x plus twice h into y equal to 0. So this into this bracket 0, combine equation. So their separate equation is that therefore x is equal to 0 and x plus 2hy equal to 0. These two equations does not separate constant. Only x is equal to 0 means this line passing through origin. This line x plus 2hy here is 0, not 2, 3. Hence, these both line passes through origin. Hence, we can say that hence it passes origin. Okay. Now consider the second equation, second case, case number 2. If the variable b not equal to 0, this b can 0, second case b not equal to 0. So therefore, multiply equation 1 by b. Which variable multiplied by b here is equation 1. So a into x square multiplied by b x square plus 2h b x into y plus b into b square y square is equal to 0. For our simplicity, we can take this first term here, the first last term here, first term last. So b into y square 0, b into y square plus 2h bx y plus a into b square is equal to 0. For making completing square this equation, we know that the first two term is by plus 2h bxy. So here is by, so b here is b and here is y. So hx term is not there. So in this equation, we have to add x square and subtract that x square after the two term means the value of the equation remains as it is. So adding x square adding and subtracting, adding and subtracting x square, or you have to write after two terms for our simplicity after two terms. So what is the first two terms? B square y square 2hb xy. So our aim is to that add h square x square subtract h square x square and that last term as it is a into b into x square is equal to 0. Okay. So b square y square to hb xy plus x square minus x square b square x square plus ab x square is equal to 0. Now for this we can say that this is a complete square. For making complete square, we have to write square root of first term, that is square root of first term by, sine of second bracket and square root of the third term, that is hx bracket square, and these two terms write as it is, h square x square plus a into b x square is equal to 0. Okay, here is the x variable, here is x square variable. We can take x variable common, also minus sign is common, because we have to use here something square minus something square is equal to 0. Then we can write a plus b into a minus b. So py plus hx bracket square minus this x square common minus sign x square. So remaining minus x square became plus x square. Here is ab is equal to 0. Okay. So this bracket square, this is square, but this is not square. But we know that since any term x can be written as under root x bracket square, so for this we can use the here. So first term is py plus hx bracket square minus x square. So we can write this h square minus ab is under root h square minus ab bracket square is equal to 0. Okay. Now this bracket square, this total bracket square is equal to 0. We can use here or simple way by plus hx bracket square minus, we can write here x h square minus ab into x bracket square is equal to 0. Now we use here a square minus b square equal to a plus b a minus b. Okay. So here first bracket square, second bracket square 0 means first bracket by plus hx a plus b, so plus sign under root h square minus ab into x. This is the first bracket. Into second bracket, I can write here by plus hx a plus b a minus, so minus sign here, again this as it is x square minus ab into x bracket complete is equal to 0. Here is the bracket. Now we know that this bracket, here is x variable, here is x variable, here is x variable, here is x variable, so we can take common the brackets. So by first bracket by plus h common, here is x common, h plus h square minus ab into here x common. This is the first bracket. h common, x variable. Another second bracket into here is x, here is x, by plus x variable common h minus h minus h square minus ab is equal to 0. This bracket into this bracket 0 means this is the combined equation. The separate equation is this bracket 0 and another second bracket 0. So therefore by plus, we can write here x last with h plus h square minus ab into x, this is 0, and another line by plus x variable here h minus root h square minus ab into x is equal to 0. These are the separate equations. Again we know that if u equal to 0, v equal to 0, these are the separate equation. These are the separate equation. And in this equation here is constant term 0, something y plus something x. it means that there is no constant term other than 0. It means that this line passes through origin. Again same line, something y plus something x. So these two lines have not separate constant and hence it passes through the origin. Therefore, what the condition is that x square minus ab equal to 0. So hence it passes through origin if x square minus eb is equal to 0. Okay, this is the simple one. I think you have to understand very well. So this is very important theorem for exam point of view. Thank you.